welcome to my channel. My name is Pamela. In today's video, we are going to do a little organization in my upstairs bathroom with some new decor. So in this video, I'm going to give a couple of tips on how I get the motivation to do organization in a room that needs it, but I don't really want to do. So my first tip is, if I really don't want to do it, I will buy just a few items to decorate with that I want to put up, but I have to wait until it is organized to do so. I also will buy just a few organizational things that I really want to put up to help me motivate to get it done. So right here, I'm just taking everything out of the cabinets. My husband now showers and does everything he needs to do in our bathroom in the basement, so he didn't need a whole area of this cabinet. So instead, I decided to make room more for my daughter, who's 16 and has a lot of products, and myself. I did make a shelf for my son. He's 12, so he doesn't need too much in there. My second tip, when you have kids or husbands or anybody else except for you, get small containers that have a reason. So I have a container on the top shelf for my husband's things, so I know when he's done using something up there, he'll just put it back in his container and it will stay organized. I also did this with some of my daughter's products. She has a lot. I'm not really sure what all she wanted in them, so I put what I thought she would use inside one of those small containers, and I know when she's done with it, she will put it right back. Same with toothbrushes and toothpaste. I bought this new organizer for those, so that way I know everybody's going to put the toothpaste back where it goes instead of just leaving it on the counter. Moving on to the medicine cabinet, I'm just going through everything and looking at expiration dates, throwing away what has expired, and then I'm going to organize them by like products. So I do want to make sure on the bottom shelf it's going to be stuff that if a little kid gets into it, it's not going to be harmful to them. So I keep like the measuring cups down there on the bottom, Band-Aids on the bottom, Vaseline on the bottom. And then I do have tubs, so that way people can put it back. So that one on the center row is going to be for like cold and flu. All right, so the bathroom is now complete. What I thought was going to be maybe an hour-long project ended up being a 2-day project because my great husband decided to fix all the holes and some water damage that we had by the tub, which I'm so thankful for. I think that it turned out amazing. I couldn't be happier with it. I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.